stack them in the safe. I shot a school can lid.
Where at?
It's behind the target now. That's how I know I got it.
What'd you shoot, Jake?
A skull can lid. I just sit up there to be on top of the target. I'm still bringing it up. Can I shoot your 45?
No.
No one's shooting it.
Shells are so expensive for it. You
Jake
shot
won't
it
step in
last
front of my
time.
camera.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Everybody did.
Not the 45. John, did I shoot the 45 last time?
Told you.
Watch my camera.
What's it gonna do? Trip?
I'm recording.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, yeah. That's a mic. Shut up, Chris.
Oh, we gotta have my 303 sent off to be fixed.
Really?
What?
Sight's broken.
Right.
The sights.
That's a loud little fucker.
Rifle's quiet.
Yeah.
Can't hear loud fucker. Are you shooting your 303? Yeah. Alright, dude, I'm out. You gotta treat me. What time is it?